Hi from Japan, I'm Emma. Today I would like to talk about the earthquake that occurred in Noto on January 1st. A magnitude 7.6 earthquake struck Ishikawa Prefecture. I was in India for my friend's wedding when my family texted me expressing concern about my well-being. Although Nara, where my family lives, is 400 kilometers away from the epicenter, their house shook significantly. Over 200 people lost their lives, and 30,000 can't return home, seeking refuge in places that may not fully accommodate them. Noto, being snowy, faced challenges with heating, which turned out to be insufficient. Tragically, a 5-year-old boy died due to scalding, as hospitals prioritized more crucial cases. It's disheartening news. In 1995, my family experienced the Kobe earthquake, resulting in death of more than 6,000 people. Although I wasn't born at the time, but they always emphasized the miracle of being alive. Such disasters remind me of life's unpredictability, urging me to do my best.
この度の地震で亡くなられた方々のご冥福をお祈りし、深くお悔やみ申し上げます。被災された皆様に心からお見舞い申し上げます。一日も早い復興を心よりお祈りいたします。